Welcome back to Tip on Tuesday, or Tuesday's Tip. And we're going to make a quick leaf using the stuff you've been practicing, hopefully been practicing, the other little tip techniques. So we're going to take a piece, make a point to it. We're going to draw out the center a little bit, and that isolates this square stock. I'm using a piece of 3/8 square stock, and then we'll turn that into a leaf. We're going to use the drawing out. We're going to use the technique to put a point on this 3/8 inch stock. And so we're going to draw it here. We're going to draw out this. Everything's going to get drawn out, and just different ways. So I'll try to slowly show it here as we go. First thing I'm going to do is put this into a blunt tip. See, I'm holding it up, and I hold it near the end so my hammer can hold off. If I'm over here, see, I'm actually hitting the anvil with no item. So you want to be close to the edge. And then I'm going to come back just a little ways and get about 45 degrees on this corner, this rounded corner. Hit half on, half off. Isolate that. They get hotter. As you'll see, I'm always turning my piece 90, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90 as I'm hitting it. I've got this kind of isolated here. Doing that, and I'm going to come back up a little bit to start my stem. You get it hot, and then now this piece you don't have to do it in square stock, but see what they call being on the diamond here. And I'll put it this way, and then I'll flatten it down on the diamond, which will kind of push this mass in and spread it out. Okay, so I'm going to put that back on that diamond I showed you. Hit it flat, which drives it every direction, remember? I'm going to give about that much flatness into it. And now I'm going to start the cross paint, spreading it this way and this way. It's already taken a leaf shape here. Get it hot again. If you need to move the steel, say you need to move it this way, you just turn your hammer. You'll push the steel that way. Otherwise, I was just going that way and that way. So you get actually a different shape leaf. And that's it. Pretty much just planishing it is when it's black like this. And black like that. Planishing just means you're hammering it when it's black heat and you're really not moving the metal. You're just kind of flattening it, smoothing it out. So at this point, you've got your shape. There's your leaf. You can just leave it like that. People know it's a leaf. You can put chisel marks into it, make it vines. You can then set it into a block of wood and use a ball peen hammer and cup it. You can do all kind of stuff at this point. And some people actually will fold it over and then open it back up, and that puts a crease down the center. Just depends on how much you want to do. And that's your Tuesday tip on a quick leaf using the stuff you've been learning from other tips. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.